Hello everybody, Max Scoville here for IGN News. If you somehow missed it amidst the constant deluge of other casting announcements, Chris Hemsworth will be the male member of the team in Paul Feig's upcoming Ghostbusters reboot, and now we have our first look at the Thor actor in costume. Vulture tweeted a photo featuring Hemsworth riding a motorcycle, fully clad in his Ghostbusters getup, and while Hemsworth is normally known for being a drop-dead gorgeous sexual muscle man, it seems like he's dressing down a bit for his role in Ghostbusters. With a bad haircut and a pair of thick glasses, it seems like he could be the 2015 male version of Janine Melnitz, the original Ghostbusters secretary. In addition to Hemsworth, Feig's reboot also stars a crew of 4 Ghostbusting gals played by Melissa McCarthy, Leslie Jones, Kristen Wiig, and Kate McKinnon, but you already knew that. Also in the movie is Bill Murray, who we learned earlier this month will be making an appearance in the reboot. However, he won't be reprising his old role as Dr. Peter Venkman. Will he play a ghost? Who knows? But stay tuned to IGN for all your Ghostbusters news.